There are two ways to set your scale on Assemble Pro. In the bottom left here, you can simply type in the page scale that corresponds to the plans you are working off. In these plans, you can see our page scale is 1:50 at A1. Simply go to the input box, type 1:50, and what I always recommend doing is making a known length just to double check that everything is calibrated properly. So you can see there, yeah, it's pretty spot on. However, in some instances, the pages are scanned or they're treated in another system, which disrupts their calibration. You can calibrate the plans manually yourself. Simply click on the magnifying glass. You'll be given this window explaining what to do. But what you want to do then is find the longest length on the set of plans and make that known measurement. So simply click again to start and click to finish. And this is 6.921 meters. 6.921, and you'll see that the pages scale appropriately. Again, make a known measurement and everything should stack up.